Hi guys, today it is bonfire night, so it's really night time. So we're going to show you some fireworks. Oh, there's some. Okay, we're going to go around my back garden. There's some over there. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness, some there. See? Right there. Just wait. Over there. Where? Over there. And some here.
Guys, I can do a backflip.
Yeah, she can do a backflip now. Oh, there.
Oh!
That's a good one. Right now we had sparklers like 5 minutes ago. Now we are setting up some fireworks.
So we're having some fireworks.
So 1, 2, 3, and 4 over there. 4. And more. So we're gonna give you a tour. Oh, here's some mushrooms as well. We're doing like more holes there. There's a firework. Look, my eye Jessica's setting up. So here's some fireworks. We have to wait for my friend Ethan. Oh God. So what we're gonna do? Oh, there's some fireworks over there. You can see like lights and stuff. So yeah. That is tonight. Bonfire night. So like what we're gonna do is like find some fireworks. Oh, there's some good ones over there. So what we're gonna do, there's my cousin. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I'm coming!
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Fireworks everywhere.
Fireworks.
Fireworks. Oh.
Oh. Ah.
I'll put you up higher. So many.
Don't know what color this is going to be. So yeah. So that's all for today, guys. So bye.